The second approach for hypothesis testing is the p-value approach. So instead of using the rejection region, we can also proceed the p-value approach for the hypothesis testing. So how can we do this? Is by comparing the p-value with alpha. So if p-value is less than alpha, decision reject H null. P-value greater or equals to alpha, decision is do not reject H null. Suppose we are using the same question. We want to test the claim that the true mean is 30 and we assume x bar is 29.8, sigma known which is 0.8 and sample 100. So step 1, step 2 and step 3 is the same, whereby step 1 is to state the H null and H1 is a two-tailed test. Step 2 is define the significant level and step 3 is to calculate the test statistic. So here the test statistic will be Z, which is going to be equals to minus 2.0. So from step 3, we need to do step 4, which is finding the p-value. So previously in step 4 is we need to find the critical value. But here is not the critical value, but it is the p-value. So since the test statistic is Z minus 2.0, we need to refer to the standardized normal distribution table. So we need to find the area, the probability of getting Z larger than 2.0 and Z less than minus 2.0. From the table, we found that minus 2.0 is 0.0228. Minus 2.0000 is 0.0228. So this value is just for one tail. So since it's a two-tail test, we need to sum up for both tails. So 0.0228 times 2 is going to be 0.0456. So how to make the decision? We compare the p-value with alpha. So if you choose alpha is 5%, which is 0.05, and the p-value is 0.045, which is lesser than alpha value, so the decision is to reject H null. So state the conclusion, there is not enough statistical evidence to conclude that the average diameter is 30. So using rejection region approach and p-value approach will arrive to the same decision, but then the difference is in step 4. So in step 4, in rejection region approach, we need to find the critical value, but in p-value approach, we need to find the p-value. And in making the decision in this approach, we need to compare the p-value with alpha. If it is less, then reject H null. If it is greater or equals to alpha, then do not reject H null.